Man, you know, I'll tell you how hard it is to zip these things back up. So it is a Thursday afternoon and it is raining and it's pretty darn cold out, but I decided to come out here to a wilderness area near where I live, and I'm gonna try to get some moody pictures. I was not expecting it to be this moody. There is fog surrounding us, so we will see that if that is going to make the picture better or if it's ultimately going to bring it down. I got Chris with me and I'm gonna position him on the trail somewhere, and we're gonna see if I can bring some contrast and try to get a cool picture out of it. I'm gonna have you walk into the woods. That away. Yeah, I'm serious. Yeah, I'm really liking something happening right here. I'm gonna switch to my 85. You're gonna walk into the woods.
Backpack? No backpack? No backpack. Load off, you don't drop that.
Like right through here?
Yeah.
How far is it? Oh, I don't like that. Yeah, that's actually pretty cool. I thought it was gonna be really lame. It was hard to get. We got there.